You need to watch this if you've ever gazed at the moon and thought, what if it fell? Let's dive into this ultimate space showdown. Let's start with the basics. The moon is about 1/6 the size of Earth, but don't let that fool you, its impact would be beyond massive. The gravitational forces alone would wreak havoc long before the actual collision. Tides would go haywire, causing catastrophic flooding. And that's just the beginning. As the moon gets closer, its gravitational pull would stretch the Earth's crust, triggering massive earthquakes and volcanic eruptions. Imagine tsunamis the size of mountains crashing into cities. Then, the moment of impact, a collision at 20 kilometers per second. The energy released would equal billions of nuclear bombs. The blast would vaporize everything in its path and send debris flying into space, creating a new ring around the Earth. In the aftermath, Earth's climate would be devastated. The sky would darken with dust and debris, causing a nuclear winter effect. Life, as we know it, would struggle to survive. So, next time you look up at the moon, be thankful it's staying put. For now, the moon's surface, with its craters and lunar landscape, tells a story of countless impacts over billions of years. Our fascination with the moon has led to incredible achievements like the Apollo missions. From the moon, Earth looks like a fragile blue marble, a reminder of our place in the universe. But if the moon were to suddenly change course and head towards Earth, the consequences would be dire. The gravitational forces would intensify, causing the Earth's crust to deform and crack. Volcanic eruptions would spew ash and lava, adding to the chaos. Massive earthquakes would level cities, leaving destruction in their wake. Coastal areas would be engulfed by tsunamis, forcing people to flee for their lives. The final impact would shatter the Earth's surface, creating a massive crater. Firestorms would rage across the globe, consuming everything in their path. Dust and debris would fill the atmosphere, blocking sunlight and plunging the world into darkness. Temperatures would plummet, leading to a new ice age. Wildlife would struggle to survive in the harsh conditions. Human survivors would face the daunting task of rebuilding in a drastically changed world. So next time you look up at the moon, be thankful it's staying put. For now, the immediate effects of the moon crashing into Earth would be catastrophic. The initial impact would generate shockwaves that would travel through the planet, causing widespread destruction. Buildings would collapse, landscapes would shatter, and the very ground beneath our feet would become unstable. Massive fires would break out, consuming cities and forests alike. The dust and debris thrown into the atmosphere would block out the sun, plunging the world into darkness and causing temperatures to drop drastically. In the long term, the Earth would face a new ice age. Wildlife would struggle to adapt to the harsh conditions, and many species would face extinction. Human survivors would have to find ways to adapt and rebuild in a world that has been forever changed. Makeshift shelters would become the norm, and communities would have to work together to survive. Advanced technology and underground bunkers could provide some hope for survival. Sustainable living practices would become essential as resources become scarce. So, next time you look up at the moon, be thankful it's staying put, for now.